Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making shami kabab. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let's start. 250 ग्राम चने की दाल, इसमें 4 कप पानी जाएगा, 1 टीस्पून salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 green chilies chopped, 200 grams of boneless chicken. Now bring it to boil. Now it's boiling. Cover and cook on low flame for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, uncover and cook on high flame until water dry. In food processor, add mixture and add half cup coriander leaves, half cup fresh mint leaves, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon crushed roasted coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon whole spices powder, and blend well. Now it's done. Take a mixture and make a patty. Now it's ready to cook. In a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Take a patty and dip into egg and shallow fry on medium flame. Cook until golden brown each side. Now turn the side and fry again. Now it's done and take out from the pan. Now shami kebab is ready to eat. Try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.